My name is Nic Strowbridge. I am studying a PhD in Evolutionary Biology, looking at coloration in Fire and Alpine Salamanders. I am in my 4th year, and I am from Nova Scotia in Canada. What inspired me to pursue this research is that I've always been really interested in animals, and I used to collect salamanders and snakes and everything when I was a kid. And so I've always been fascinated in the diversity in our natural world, especially when it comes to morphological diversity, so what an animal looks like. And that sort of inspired me to pursue my research looking at coloration in salamanders to try and understand sort of the underlying genetic and molecular mechanisms that make an animal look the way it does. My day-to-day life during my PhD can vary quite a lot. I can spend a lot of time in the lab, or I can be at my computer using bioinformatic analysis to look at my data. I also was able to get the opportunity to go to my field site where the fire salamanders are from, in the Asturias region in northern Spain. And so that was a beautiful area that we were able to collect some more salamanders there. Also, there can be lots of presentations that you do throughout your PhD. So preparing for presentations, going to conferences, and a lot of variation within your day-to-day life as an academic. And I think this also allows you to develop a wide variety of skills. I feel like I definitely have changed throughout my PhD journey. I have become more confident in myself and my research. I've learned many new skills, whether it's in the laboratory doing molecular work or whether it's bioinformatic analysis of that molecular work. Developing lots of friendships and relationships at the university as well as outside the university here in Glasgow has made me a more rounded person, and understanding people from different backgrounds and different perspectives. And also, I definitely have aged during my PhD as well, as evidenced by my white hair and my beard. I chose to study at the University of Glasgow for many different reasons. The first reason is that I was able to get funding here. It's quite difficult and competitive to get funding for a PhD, so I was able to get funding for my project, but also because the University of Glasgow is a world-renowned university that has a lot of expertise in research and some great facilities in order to conduct this research, as well as a great community that is very supporting in pursuing research as a PhD student. For people thinking about applying to a PhD at the University of Glasgow, I would highly recommend it. It is a great community, especially here in the School of Biodiversity, Health and Veterinary Medicine. There's a great supporting community here. It's a very social community. There's lots of social events and opportunities to mingle with your colleagues and other collaborators. It's also a very welcoming and friendly city. Glaswegians are some of the most friendly people that I've ever met. And it's also has a really good social scene and lots of nice pubs and restaurants as well, especially within the West End near the university.